Hello guys and welcome to another episode. Today we are going to take a look in this Lamborghini Sian models from Burago. I did a review about the khaki one color. If you search my videos you will find this particular one, but I will try to put a link also in the description if you want to check this video out. Today I'm gonna show you these two models. So basically I have the khaki one, and there is also one that comes in red color. Also in this white, in this kind of green gold color combination with black. It also comes with different wheels, as you can see. It's basically the same wheels but different paint job. And the white one has the standard gold wheels. There is also one that it's black on the back and white pearlescent in the front, like the Murcielago color. And also there is another one that it's all black. But here in Europe I didn't saw it for sale anywhere. I saw it in China. So the purpose that I bought these two models is because I want to make my own version of the Sian, Lamborghini Sian. As you know already, I do many customizations and wheel swaps. So I'm gonna make this white Lamborghini Sian to fit my likings. So I bought two models because I want to take these wheels, paint them black and put them here, and take these wheels, put them here, and make this a very nice white Lamborghini Sian with silver wheels and brown interior. It's gonna look very nice. So before I do that, I thought I should make a small video so you can check it out before I do any modifications, how they look from the factory. So basically this is a gloss white, and the interior color is the same like all the other models. And I think I forgot to mention in the Maestro Lamborghini Centenario, I mentioned that the spoiler comes up, but I think in the Lamborghini Sian review that I made, the khaki one, I forgot to mention that the rear spoiler opens up. I haven't done it myself. I saw it on the official website that the spoiler is movable. I tried to open it in the khaki one and didn't open. So in this white one, when I'm gonna deassemble it to paint the interior, I will see what's the issue for the rear spoiler not to open up easily. Maybe something I am not doing right. I don't know. I have to make a bit of research. So I will check this out and I will make an extra video showing you probably how this works, because this should be easy to open, and it should go all the way up, straight up. And now it doesn't go, as you can see. It feels like it's stuck on the car, but it feels like it's a separate piece. You can see that it moves. Maybe if you play a little bit, it will open it up. In the Centenario model, it opens up very easily. In this one, not so much. There is nothing that holding it down. So I don't know what's going on. Maybe you have to open this and pull it. Ah, okay, now I see it, so I'm not gonna make another video. So you have to open it from the back so you can grab it very well to pull it up, and basically this is how much it comes up, just a bit. So problem solved. I didn't knew that. Every day we learn something new, and that's nice. So yeah, this is how the spoiler opens up. It looks very nice. So this is the white gloss white Sian model. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you this one. I'm gonna take it out of the box. So this one is gonna have black wheels, and I'm gonna place it beside the Burago Ferrari FXXJ Evo, which is the rival. It will be very nice set. So as you can see, this also has the same interior. The color is like gold with green pearlescent. As you can see, it's nice. What I don't like much is that the lines here, they are green, so sometimes they look like they don't belong. So maybe I paint them also black. It has these lines from here to all the way to the back. As you can see, here you can see that it's 100% light green, and this you can see that it looks mostly gold, so it's not a nice match. So probably I'm gonna paint them black. So basically that's all about today's video. I want to keep it short. When I finished with the modifications, probably I'm gonna make a video and showcase the result to you. So as always, thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful, and until the next time, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.